What's up guys, this video is pretty much just going to be a slideshow of steps I took to restore my gym buggy. I was about 16 years old at the time and just split decision one day, decided, you know what, this thing's a pile of rubbish as it is, I'm just going to redo it. And I reckon it's come out magic. So some clips at the end, check them out because they're pretty bad. And I want like a full-on in-depth explanation, let me know and I'll like go through it all and how I did it. But enjoy.
Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me.
Biggie, biggie, can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. And I just love your flashy ways. Guess that's why they're broken, you're so petty.